Okay, thank you very much, Daniel, for drawing our attention to record the meeting. All right. So we have a top selling food. This is giving us a summary of the system. Anybody who logs into the system, especially managers and staff, workers who will be doing um, deliveries and all that, once you log into the system, it will give you a fair knowledge about how things are moving on this week, this month. You can see I have this month, I have this week. So if we can see that this week, this is the number of sales going on. I click here and check this month, this year, to give me the summary of the system. So I can see that salad is one of the top food. So 2 times I can see, and then I can see customers, total number of customers, the top customers. I can see John, the number and all that, 3 orders and all that. So this will give us idea of how the system is being used and all that. So basically, I said this is a dashboard, food dashboard. We have another dashboard that is called parcel delivery dashboard. That is the dashboard. So if you come to the parcel delivery dashboard, that is also 000 because there's nothing delivered, no parcel delivered yet. So we'll go through these models and tests. So we have 2 models, food for the restaurants and all that, and we have parcel also another model. So that is what we have now. We have 2 different models and then 2 different dashboards. So that is what we have. So if you look at it well, you see that we have new sales. So once you click here, this is basically to, if you want to sell something, there may be an instance where you want to maybe print invoice or to sell something to customer who is at maybe Ncdp office or something like that. Maybe it's not through by delivery, but we may have some people coming to us where we have products. We can look at the restaurants. For example, we may be operating from the Kumroro where we have our own restaurants. We can sell the item to them here, and then we print out the invoice for them. No, may not be used frequently. So as we also have order management. We have order management. It will give us a fair knowledge about the order that is being scheduled, being pending orders and all that. So if customers order food and we want to know if they truly did the order, we come here, it will be pending. I've not received my orders. Then we have to come to order management, and then we come to pending, so that we can see that these are the ones that is pending. This is unpaid. It means the person has not paid. This person has not paid. These people have not paid. So if we want to continue to process the order, maybe to verify payment fail, or there may be an instance where payment is done but may not reflect one way or the other. So we check here, and then we can view the order and see the details of the order, and then we can process the order. So this is how once you click on the order, every order this is very, very important. We need to know that every order is serving ID. So we identify every single order by ID. So once you call or use the call center, the first thing I should ask you is, what is your ID, order ID? So once you tell me, I can search I can search with the order ID, maybe 100026. I search and I'll be able to see your order, the date, your number, the store you are ordering from, and then the total amount you need to pay and order, the type of order, whether it's takeaway or it's delivery. So I'll be able to see the kind of order and the details of the order. And if I want to know more about it, I'll click on this eye. Once I click on the eye, I'll be able to see the details of the order, the kinds of food, the number of food you had, everything about the order. So I'll be able to see it here, the address we are delivering to and all that. I'll be able to see it here. So I can even go ahead, click, and then call the customer. I'll be able to do that if I want to do that. I want to see the location of the customer too. I can see where you are. I can see the exact point where you are on the map. I can see your location with this address. I can see. So these are some of the features we have on the dashboard. We can know this. We can trace somebody. If somebody made an order and we want to trace and see where the person is, we'll be able to see the exact location of the person. We can able to see the exact location of the person without any error, without any doubt. We'll be able to identify the person and then the contact and everything about the person, the street and everything. So that is how we use order to the order ID to identify a particular order. So that is one of the things. You come to food dashboard, then you go to orders. You have different orders here: scheduled, pending, accepted, processing. Processing means that the order has been accepted. Maybe food is being, they are still cooking the food, they are preparing the food, and then order on the way. Order on the way means that we have accepted, order is processed, it's accepted, and is processed, and it's on the way. So maybe the delivery man is still on the way. It means that the food has been given to the delivery man, because if maybe the following day I still see order on the way, it means that the item is still with the delivery man. So we need to call or click here. Once you click there, you see the details. So this is the detail, this is the order ID and the food where the store they ordered from. I can see. So if, for example, we have the system and we see that there is a number in front of the or beside the order on the way, we can click there and find out from the delivery man what is happening. Why are you not doing the delivery? Why is the item still with you? So these are some of the questions, because you pick the item from the restaurants and it's still with you. Maybe some hours later, item still on the way. The following day, item still on the way. It means the customer has not received the order, because every single step you take, the system record. When the food is given to you by the restaurants, the system record it. The food is given to the delivery man. So if you have not delivered, we can trace and see that if you have not delivered, the item is still with you or the product is still with you. So these are some of the checks. And we can also know if you do the delivery, we can see that the item is delivered. So you can see that all these ones, delivered, paid, indicate the paid. So this is a mechanism that is put in place to check every single item, whether it's delivered or not delivered, whether it's paid or not paid, and how much was paid, and all that. We'll be able to see that. So there's no way the system is going to mess up with this stuff, because every single operation is being recorded. Whatever you do is being recorded, and we can show a proof of it. And that is the work of the dashboard. And if order is also cancelled, order can be cancelled by a restaurant. You may order something and they may feel that the food is not available at a particular time. They may cancel it. Or it's not possible for us to deliver. They may cancel it, and they have every reason to cancel it. It's better than paying while you have not received your order. So we can also cancel order when we see that the order, or a customer can also cancel order. So when you feel like I'm no more buying it, they can cancel the order. And there may be some instances, as I said, payment can fail. It's a system, and in such situation, it will be recorded here. So as we speak now, we see that it's 0, and we can see that we have refunded 1. So if you are a staff and you make a refund, we can see that is there, refund. I can trace it and know who this was refunded to. I can trace and know the details of the refund. So the date you did the refund and all that, I'll be able to see from here that you did the refund. The person did an order and later gave a reason that I ordered a wrong food. So because of this reason, they did a refund. So I'll be able to understand why this particular order was being refunded. So I'll be able to see that. And then we may have other customers who may want to do offline payment. And then this one, I think, is a little bit technical. We're trying to solve it. It doesn't normally happen, but as I told you earlier, there may be some instances where we are planning towards, we may have this system is also acting as a POS. So our vision is that in future, just as we've done in Burundi, we may have office where we may have our own products. So in such situation, you come to the office and we may process your order from here, print your receipt for you. The item belongs to us, and you may even do offline payment to us. So in that situation, we will record it here. And we can also, when a customer comes to our office, we may add the customer to our system without necessarily the customer doing the registration himself or herself. We may add him because he has come to our office, to the system, and later the system will send SMS to the person, and then the person will get the details to also log into the system. So this is management, order management, and I've taken you through the order management. You know, the order management, we have the orders and we have order refund. So anytime they want to do a refund, they have to make a request. And then once they make a request, if the request is, that request is laudable or is making sense to us, we can choose to reject or approve the request. We can choose to approve, because some people will order the item and then come and complain. There are so many instances. A customer may receive the food just as you saw, I made wrong or the food was contaminated or something, and they have to make a request. So we need to learn how customers can make a request. So we need to learn. It's in the app. Once I will show it to you before we close. I'll show the interface to you from the mobile app, how customers can make a refund request. You make a request, and then we take the item back and then give you the money. So that is it. That is the order refund. And then we also have another model. That model is called promotion management. And the purpose of promotion management is for advertising our products and then promoting the business. I mean Ncdp Express. So we can have banners in the app. If we upload banner, they will see in the app. And then we may also have a coupon. It's also one of the strategies, advertising strategies we have put in place. So there may be some instances whereby, for example, we can run maybe vast promo and then give a date, maybe from this date, 14th to maybe 20th, the coupon will expire. So we may give those instances to a particular store. We talk to the store owners or the restaurant owners or the management. This particular season or Christmas season or Easter season, we want to run a promotion with you. Can you reduce your item maybe by this percentage? We just want to help you to promote. And as we are helping them, we are also helping Ncdp because anytime they buy, we may have a percentage on that, and it's going to help us. So this is a coupon. We give a coupon title. We can do it based on maybe a zone. We are running a coupon based on a zone, maybe Canada zone, Burundi zone. We are running a coupon on a store, a particular store. So we can then choose the store we are running, maybe Kumroro, only Kumroro store. We are running a promo for this season, or we can say we are running a promo here at this restaurants. Maybe we have already spoken with them and they have agreed. So we can go on and on to do we can also have limited users. So maybe we only have, this coupon may be applied to only 5 users. So once we get 5, you can't use the coupon again. So customers need to rush to come and buy that product. And we give the code of the coupon. Maybe we can type particular coupon Vans, maybe 24 something as a coupon code. So once you get a coupon, you are making an order, you type coupon, this number or code, and you'll be able to get a percentage reduction on your product you want to buy. So this is, you can base on the percentage or amount. Maybe we want to reduce by $1 or by maybe 1% or 5% from the product. We can able to do it from here. So these are some of the marketing strategies we have put in place to promote our business, also to promote business of other stores and restaurants we have. So as I said, this is also for a banner. We can have a banner here. We place it here and it will reflect. We can even use it to do advertisements for companies who, it will get to a time where people have to pay to Ncdp, where we advertise their products. Maybe they have new products, we can advertise it, or new food they want to buy, especially the restaurants. We can do advertisement for them for free or for charge. It all depends on us. So they can have that in the app. And then we also have a push notification. So this push notification, once I want to give alert to all customers, once I type I want to send a message to all customers, maybe we are running a new promo for this season. For instance, we are in a vast season, so we are running a coupon. I send it vast promo so that every person who have downloaded the app will see, or I can send it to a particular zone. So all those within that zone will see the message, and then maybe to a particular, I can also send it to store all the store owners, all the customers, all the delivery men. I can send it to particular, or I can send it to all. And then I type the content of the message. Maybe we are running a new promo, this and that. You can use it, 5% reduction. It's only applied to limited users, only 5 users. Then I upload the banner here. Maybe you have designed a nice flyer. I upload it here and all that. So this is also the size of the flyer, and it should be this. So we are giving we are specific a particular ratio so that they will to go to them nicely designed and all that. So these are some of the promotion management we have. You can also run a campaign. That is the last one I'll talk about under the promotion management. So we can also run a new campaign and all that. So we have a flyer design, and then we can choose the date. So it should start and the date it should end. It will show on the app. So once you open it, it will be showing the app that it's kind of promotion, kind of a way of advertising products for the restaurants or the products they sell. So it's a way of advertising the product, how quality the product is, and maybe they have new product and all that. So, or we have a new location, a new maybe pickup point, or any news we want to communicate to customers, we can also run it here. So that is also one thing. And then another model I'll talk about is the food management model. The food management model is a way of categorizing the food, the kind of items, products, customers, or can buy, or restaurant owners can upload. So we have a category of food. Maybe we have salad, we have this, we have that. We can able to, let me go there so that we see. So this is the food. We have pizza, we have soup, we have meat. These are different kinds of or food. We have categories of food. So we have lemonade, we have that vegetables, fruits. So this is just to categorize the products we have. And then under the categories, we have subcategories. So you can see that even when you pick drink, under drink, we have several drinks. Carbonated drinks, we have alcohol, we have this, that. So we can able to also categorize. We can have a subcategory of, so for instance, we have different kinds of drink, alcohol, non-alcoholic, and all that. We can have it there. So, and then under that, you have a bulk import. The bulk import is made especially or specifically for us to make the work easier, because we may type in Excel and upload, not necessarily typing the product one. Some shop owners, they have Excel, they have their product already in Excel, or before coming to Ncdp Express, they have been using Excel, Microsoft Excel, and they can download a template here. Once they download a template, then they look at the format to type the same thing and then upload without any error. So once you see that I have downloaded the template. This is the template, and I type the name of the food, and then I can have maybe the item ID. I will number them. Then if there's image link, you have then the name of the image and all that. So position, priority. So we can have uh, list of items here. Then once we do that, later but this is specifically for categories, not the item. This is for categories. So for example, once you have, let me go there again. For example, we have alcohol, drink, for instance. See, it seems okay, it's protected. Okay, let me, oh, my Excel is not showing, sorry. Okay, so sorry, my Excel is not showing. I thought it was showing. So you just enter it, and then you can also export. There's a room for you to export. And we have another here, add-ons. Add-ons are something like salt. Maybe they are making the order, they may need something like salt additions to I mean, whatever they are buying. This one will need a pepper. I will need a ginger. So once I'm buying something, for instance, you are buying, there are restaurants, you buy something, and then there are add-ons, certain things that is added to the product to enhance the quality or something. So you add it to it. Maybe I'll need salt, and they may choose to charge the salt. I need pepper, additional pepper, more this, more that, more. So these are some of the things. Even some restaurants will sell stew to you. So if you buy, you need to buy. If you buy yam, you need to buy stew. So stew could be an add-on. You buy this, you need to buy that, you need to buy maybe beans or something like that. So these are some of the add-ons we may have. So the restaurants may choose to add it as add-on. Once you buy yam, and then you need beans, though we give it to, but you need beans, you need to pay for it. So they may choose to add the product as add-on to this place. So once you select the product, it will ask you, do you need beans? Once you add it, beans is $1 to that. So they will add it and all that. So that is for the add-ons. And then you come to here, this place, we have food setup. This is where we have list of food. We have list of food. You can add new food. This is where we have the food, and then it comes with the prices and all that. So here, the store owner can choose to add it. We can also add it from our back office. So we can add it for them. They can also add it. They have accounts. I mean, the store or the restaurant is having accounts, so they can also add it from their session. And then we have food gallery. So this is where I will see the food. We have the categories. I mean, the product we have, all the product we have, I will see it from here. And I can also be able to search if I want to, if I want to, if I want to, if I want to search a particular product and see the picture, how it is, because I'm admin, I may want to find out the picture of the product, how it is and all that. Anything about it, I may do it here. So that is it. So that is it. That is it. That is it. Okay. Okay. Oh, somebody's waiting. Oh, sorry.
Waiting for what?
Yeah, somebody was waiting in the waiting room. I mean, he wanted to join, so I just accepted him.
Okay, all right, okay.
Okay, so and then some items to customers will give a review. They'll give review on the various products. So if a product is not good, if the products or the restaurant is not good, or they don't serve well, or their food is always delayed, or the food is not nice as they thought it should be, they can write a comment on that. They may give you 5 star, they may give you 1 star, they may say, oh, this product, don't buy, never buy from them. They are not serious. The food is not delicious. They don't do this, they don't. So these are the comments we may receive from customers or those who buy the food. And it's very good to do that because it will give impression of how it is. So if it also give a way it also tell them they have to improve their services. So it also give us a fair idea of the perception people have on the product they buy from us and all that. So this, because without this, there's no way we will see whether customers are happy or they are not happy. If they are happy, you look at the comments coming from them, maybe excellent delivery system and all that, excellent services. Oh, their food, this restaurant, their food is nice and all that. It's also a way to encourage and motivate restaurants, or to motivate Ncdp as well. So anytime they give comment, we see from here. We can even call a restaurant that people are complaining about your products, about your food. So you have to get a way of making the food nice for them, delicious for them. So this is that. So you can see the comment here. As I said, there's a way to upload the product bulk. You can upload the product in bulk. Then I can also export all the products to Excel. So all the products in Excel, I can export it, take it to Excel and save it somewhere. Okay, so that is it. And then the last model I'll talk about is a restaurants management. So this is a way we manage restaurants. So we may add new restaurants to Ncdp Express, and then a way of registering them. We add it here. We add it here to maybe a particular zone, Ghana, Canada. You can add them, and then you click here, do the registration. It's a normal registration. You take the registration details from them, the logo and all that. They can also do it. They can equally do it from their side. But if they call you and ask you, can you do it for me? Yes, we can do it for you. You can register a restaurant or even a customer. So you register them, and this is every restaurant is also having ID in the system. This is 10, this is 9, this is 8. In that order, this is 4. So every restaurant is having ID. So if there's something wrong, we can also use the ID to trace whatever happened. And this is giving us a dashboard for store. So the store, the active stores, the newly joined, the inactive. So we may have a store who is no more operating, or we may ban a store if you find out that they are not giving good quality products or food. We may choose to stop them from buying. They have to work on themselves, or they have to prepare the product well, because we don't have to let customers complain about our products. Because once they complain, people will not even download the app. So these are some of the checks we put in place to make sure that everything is going well and we are performing. We are giving excellent services to customers. We value customers and we are doing this business because of customers. So if at the end we are not serving them well, then that is not good. So we make sure we serve customers well. We encourage, motivate restaurants to, do good delivery services to customers. So that is it. We are doing this because of customers. So we may choose to ban restaurants or talk to them to do their things right. If we find out the comment coming from the restaurant is not good. And this chart is where we have, this is for these restaurants. This is the details I have from them, the number of orders they have done, the payment they receive, every detail about these restaurants, I'll see it from here. The location on the map, everything, absolutely everything, the orders they have received, the items they have, everything about them, you can see it here. So every restaurant is also having a dashboard. So let me see if I can visit a Kumrulu shop or Kumrulu restaurants. Let me check the details of Kumrulu, the amount they have received. Okay, so this is the overview, the location. I can see the email, the telephone. So if I want to call the restaurants, I can pick the number here, call, or send them email. I can do that, and then I can see the location. They have not entered any bank details. So if we want to send money to them, to maybe through bank, the money we have taken from customers, from them, we can send it to them. They can also make withdrawal from us. So, and then because the money doesn't go to them directly, the money comes to us, and then we do the cash out for them. So the money will come to us first, and then we push it to them. We can decide to push it to them weekly, monthly, based on the management of Ncdp. And between us and the restaurants, the negotiations we have. So monies can be pushed to them every week, every month, maybe even every day. We can do that. So it's based on the negotiations we have. Okay, so this is the orders they have received. They have done one refund under this Kumuro restaurant. Okay, so I can also see the items, the active item, inactive item, everything about this shop I'll see, or the restaurants I'll see. And then the discount, the review here, I'll find a review. Maybe customers will give excellent, I'll see it here. If they give poor service too, I'll see it here. And these are some of the measures we put in place to also assess our restaurants. Then the kinds of transactions they have done and all that, I can see it from here. Every transaction will be recorded. And yes, so these are some of the other settings too. If you want to do other settings too, we can do it from here. What they can sell, do they have home delivery, store managed delivery? So if we take store managed delivery, it means the store will do the delivery themselves, so we don't have a hand in the delivery. So once we do that, it means the delivery system will not even come to us. The store, once they do the order delivery services will be at their end. And then we also have POS. We can also add POS to them. Once we add a POS to them, they can also sell the item at their place. Just as I told you, they can have this. This is the software. This software is the software when you visit any shop they use. So they can have the product here. Once they add the product, once they add the product, it will be adding to the cart, and at the end of the day, they can print your invoice for you. And then once they do that, it will also be recorded in the system. So that is also one thing about our this system. We may choose to add POS system for them because once you go to any shop, once they have PC there, they use point of sale to do their sale. They have point of sale. Anything you buy from the shop, they add to the cart. At the end of the day, you pay for it, and they give you receipts. So we also have it. We can include it just to encourage store owners or restaurants to buy. So in future, once they accept our system, they are no more going to use the POS they are using. They are going to hook up to this, because this is also connected to online. So once customers can even order online, they can come to the store, buy items from there. So they can choose to add all their products to this system, and then they'll be selling from our system. They'll be selling from our system, and it will be recorded in our system. Okay, so that is it. And this is also very important. Daily time schedule. So the daily time schedule, you can choose when customers can order. When you have closed your shop, it means they can't order. And 00 to this means that I operate 24/7. 24/7. 24/7. You can choose that Monday you can't do delivery. So Monday close, then you close this. Can choose, say, maybe Friday around 5 we close, Sunday we don't work. This is where we do the settings. Yeah, so because of we spend almost 1 hour. So, and I think we are done with it. The last thing I'll talk about is the parcel delivery system, the dispatch order. I mean, where we have this, we've talked about the food. This is the last item I'm talking about. Ncdp also is having a parcel delivery system where customers can choose to send an item, a parcel to somebody, maybe in the same city, different city, or even in another country. They can use our app. So you go there, whatever you want to do. I want to deliver this, maybe a letter or a product or whatever, to another African country. That is our aim. So you go there, you type whatever you want to deliver, and then it will give you the price you have to pay and all that. So that is the delivery system we have. It's in the app, so we have to try and see how it works. From our side, it's working perfectly. So I will pause here, and then if time will permit, I will take you through the app. If not today, maybe the next day or anytime. I can also, this is the dashboard. I'll take you through the app. We will not come here, but we will deal with the app once we check the dashboard. So once customers are using the app, how we respond through the dashboard. So let me end here because of our time, and then I'll open the floor for questions. If you don't understand anything, if you need clarification, I will be there to answer or help you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, John, for the presentation. Was amazing. So I know it's too late for you as from your side. It's almost like 2 o'clock in the morning. So if there is any question, please ask. If not, we can do another session maybe on weekend where everybody can we can have a time Oduro can present it like during the day, because he's a father now. I know it's a sacrifice. So maybe on a weekend, like a Sunday, Oduro, you'll be available after the church?
Yes, I'll be available.
Yeah, okay, all right. So, okay, anybody can jump in and then ask one question maybe. Okay, looks like,
Hello? Hello?
okay,
Hello.
Yes.
go ahead.
So here is Bertha speaking. For me, I have a lot of, I cannot understand everything on if someone explained me on live. I think I will need someone who can be with me and explain me more. And I don't know if everyone understands, but for me, I need more explanation, please.
Okay, thank you. So I can have time for you, even if it is one-on-one.
Okay.
Yes, I can have time for you, and then we can go over again. I will explain everything for you. You understand? It's not difficult. So
Yeah, so
I'll
can I
need to
call you,
schedule.
for example, tomorrow, and
Okay.
you can explain me?
Yeah, I'll be free. I'll be there. I'll be available.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
If not Oduro, Sandrine, are you there, right?
Sandri too. I think Sandri will be the best
Yes,
because
I'm here.
she's around. Yes, so
Yeah, Sandrine, she can help you. And Sandrine, I think it's good for you to train Bert or Daniel Nahimana. Yeah. So train them one by one. So so we are going to be busy. We're going to be busy, as I mentioned. We have already set up for the call center. Call center will be connected to the app, so everything will be working with the call center. Anything happen, people they will send ticket, and the ticket, and Oduro will review. Also, you will be reviewing, and even Kigali, they will be seeing it, what's going on.
yes.
So basically, what we are waiting for the food delivery back. So we ordered in China or in South Africa to compare to see the price. That's the only thing we remaining. Then we'll hopefully, by God's grace, the third week of March. So by God's grace, we'll be starting with myself. I'll be heading to Edmonton, maybe hopefully next week. So to help the restaurant for making the registration. So thank you very much for your commitment to Ncdp. I really, really appreciate your commitment. So I know it's too late. Some of you are tired, you are from work. So I really admire. So one day, Ncdp Express will pay off you guys. Thank you.
We think so.
Yes. Quick question, Oduro.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. By the way, a very good job. I really like the way you develop the app.
Thank you.
It might take some time for us to learn because this is now one time thing you learn and then understand. I'm pretty sure if we just get familiar with the interface, it's gonna be easier, much more easier. The more we practice, the more it's gonna be easier. My question is, how are we going to have access on this admin NCDP Express?
Yes, I think you are going to have access to it. I've already given access to some people. I don't know whether I need to check if you are
No,
not.
you have to give Sandrine and the Godbelt and Daniel.
Yes, yeah, I think I added. I need to check whether I deleted it, because I remember sometime I took their emails, and then I'll check again. If it's not there, I'll add it to the system so that you can also log in to the
Yeah.
admin dashboard.
They can call you anytime, then you give them access,
Yes,
right?
yes, anytime you can WhatsApp
And
me
they
or call me anytime.
Okay, all right. It sounds
And
good.
they will be all using Ncdp Express email. So you have to create one to say.
Yes. I think we created for them. I don't know whether they still have access, but it's there. It's though just that we have not been using it. That is why I think I'll send it to them again so that they
Yes,
can have
please.
access to that. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bye.